Hi, I'm Sharad, and I am working currently now in Accenture as a lead data scientist. Yes, my current role in my current organization in Accenture is lead data scientist, and I have started my journey in 2014 as a non-coding background. So I have worked in a company 2014 to 17, but after 2017 I have started learning C, Java, and this is Java is very tough language. I think those people who are having no coding background. So I have heard about Python, and I have learned about the Python and started journey in Python from 2017. And in 2017 I have jumped into the coding background in coding companies like as a software developer. And in 2018 I have heard about the Insaid, and I have just taken a demo class from the Mano, and that was very interesting for me. So I have decided to learn about the coding and all these things. So I have learned about the coding, and then I have learned machine learning and also some another parts which is helps in my career in data science field. So in 2018 I have changed my company and work as a machine learning engineer, and in 2020 I have given a big opportunity to work with Nokia. So in Nokia I have worked 1 year, and after then I have changed my company, and after then in 2021 I have started my journey with Accenture, and currently I am working with Accenture as a lead data scientist. When you are coming in data science without coding background, that is pretty typical for those people, because you don't know about the how coding works and how you build your logic. So starting is very typical for those people, but I think Python is very good for those people who are having the non-coding background. In non-coding background people, I have started 2017 as a as working as a Python developer. After then we have works in machine learning algorithm, and also we have worked in NLP and deep learning. So this is very long process to learn in a data science field. So firstly we need to learn about the Python and learn about the machine learning algorithm. So this is very helpful for us. And first challenge, because all these companies wanted to know about, about the Python, about the machine learning algorithm, and about the deep learning, NLP, OpenCV. So every company is asking question from anywhere. So it's more difficult to give the answer from the deep learning and NLP and OpenCV, who people are coming non coding background and starting jumping to data science world. So this is very typical for those people who are having the non-coding background. So I have started Python and machine learning. So I have given most of the interview in machine learning and Python development. Then after then I have started giving the interview in deep learning and also NLP. So this is very challenging. This is very big word, data science word. So everything is going process by process. So this is difficulties for those people who are coming from non-coding background. In new role, I am working on big companies project in my current company. So data science helps us how data comes from clients, and how you have to work on these data using Python and machine learning algorithm. After cleaning and munging all this data, you need to put all this data into the AWS. After then you need to fetch data, and you have to report these data to clients. So data science helps us in whatever the flow we are using to end to showing the in a particular manner data to the client. So firstly Python is very important in these projects. You need to collect the data. How you need to collect the data? It from the Excel form, CSV form. Either you collecting from the data from the database. After then, you need to know about the machine learning algorithm, and after then you need to put the data into AWS by using the PySpark and other Python libraries. So this helps us very good manner in data science work. So Python and ML is very important in data science work. Yeah, in current company there are three stages. First stage, second stage, and third stage. In first stage, you need to know. They wanted to know about basic skills, whatever you have worked in Python and whatever you have worked in machine learning algorithm, and also there are some questions from NLP and also deep learning. So after that, in second round interview, they wanted to know how you are working on live project. They give you a scenario, and after then they give you 15-20 minutes and try to solve those questions on the behalf of real world scenario. So like as I am having a question, just like as a, if we are having the telecom industry, how these companies are sustain their customers, and how the companies are giving the benefits to the customer, and all these things type of scenario they are putting to you, and you need to clarify every point on the real world scenario. So this is the current company, and this current company interview. But in a previous companies, they do not want to real type scenario. They want to how your knowledge is going on, so you have a better knowledge, because they going in depth into the machine learning algorithm. So what is the assumption of that machine learning algorithm, how it works, and how you have to compare 2 to 3 models. So basically in big giants companies, I have seen that they wanted to know question about the real time, and in mid type and small companies, test your skills, like whatever you have machine learning algorithm use. Yes, so when I have started my journey in coding background and in data science background, so I have searched lots of career institute on the YouTube, but I have seen Upgrade and Insaid and Simply Learn. So I have seen lots of video, but I have seen the Mano video in 2018. So that was pretty helpful for me, and uh, I have started from journey with the Insight. That was the reason, because I have seen the video of Mano. That was very interesting video, demo video. So at that time, I had decided to join Insight, and that will very helpful for me in a future. So that was the reason I have uh, I have connected with the Insight. First thing, there is my advice to beginners. Need to very careful about the first thing, Python and machine learning. Don't go for deep learning and NLP and OpenCV, because most of the company asking about the deep learning and NLP, all these things. But we need to very careful. Firstly, we need to enter into if you are entering into data science field, firstly we need to take care only Python and machine learning. And there are some companies asking about only Python and machine learning. If you have entered into that field, after then you explore deep learning and also NLP and OpenCV things. So stay hungry about knowledge, and keep update yourself every time. So this is my suggestion to everyone who is entering into the data science field.